Where's the boy, man? The time is over.
Be patient. He is coming, bro.
What's going on?
Oh, late.
Did you forget the time? It's my bad. But I was busy doing something home. That's your business, bro.
Hey, sir. Come back to us.
Is your problem?
Yes.
What is it?
Where are you going like that to my bed?
Are you kidding me, sir? This is my
Give me
bag.
a fucking bag, bro.
Take it easy, sir. Do you want to take your bag?
Yes.
No problem.